Verifying your business on Meta Business Suite is essential for establishing credibility and gaining access to advanced features. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Create a Meta Business account. Visit the Meta Business Suite website and sign up for a business account if you haven't already. Provide the necessary information about your business, including name, address, and contact details. Step 2. Access business settings. Once your account is set up, navigate to the Business Settings section. You can find this option in the left-hand menu of the Meta Business Suite dashboard. Step 3. Initiate verification process. In the Business Settings, look for the Security Center option. Click on it and then find the Business Verification section. Follow the prompts to start the verification process. Step 4. Submit required documents. Prepare and upload the necessary documents to verify your business. This may include business licenses, tax documents, or utility bills that confirm your business's identity and address. Step 5. Wait for approval. After submitting your documents, wait for Meta to review your application. This process can take several days. You will receive a notification once your business verification is complete. Once you have completed these steps, your business will be verified on Meta Business Suite, allowing you to access additional features and enhance your online presence.